Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through how to verify your identity on IRS.gov and access your tax return information safely. First, open your browser and go to the IRS website at IRS.gov. Once the page loads, look for the option related to identity verification or sign in to your IRS online account. Most users will be asked to verify their identity through the secure ID.me system used by the IRS. Click Sign in with ID.me and either log in or create a new account if you don't already have one. During the process, you'll enter your email address, create a password, and confirm your email. Next, you'll be asked to provide personal details such as your social security number, date of birth, and address. You may also need to upload a photo of a government-issued ID, like a driver's license or passport. Sometimes a quick selfie or short video verification is required to confirm that the ID belongs to you. Once your identity is verified, you can sign in to your IRS account and access tax records, view your return status, or download transcripts securely online. Subscribe the channel for more videos.